Nature miracle, secret. From the first breath of dawn, Mother Nature has been our earliest home and our greatest teacher. Long before cities rose and machines learned to speak for us, the earth shaped our lives with quiet precision. Rivers carved paths not only through land, but through our history. Trees offered shade, food, and stories whispered by the wind. Mountains stood as elders, reminding us that strength can exist without movement. In every season, nature formed a bond with humanity, patient, generous, and alive. This bond was not built by force or design. It was created through balance. The sun knew when to rise, the rain knew when to fall, and life followed a rhythm that made sense without explanation. In that harmony, humans learned how to live, how to listen, how to wait, and how to respect. Peace was not something we searched for. It was something we lived inside, guided by nature's steady heart. But time moved forward, and so did we. Technology transformed the way we see the world. Screens replaced sunsets. Engines replaced footsteps. Speed became more valuable than stillness. Our lifestyles changed. Faster, louder, more connected, yet somehow more distant. We gained convenience, knowledge, and power, but lost moments of silence where the soul could breathe. In chasing progress, we began to forget something essential. Nature did not change her miracle. We changed our attention. The secret was never hidden in forests or oceans alone. It lived in the connection we once honored. When we stopped listening, the bond weakened. Pollution, climate change, and restlessness became signs of a relationship neglected. Yet the miracle secret still remains. It is peace. Peace is found when we pause and feel the ground beneath our feet. When we remember that technology should serve life, not replace it. When we balance innovation with respect, growth with care, and ambition with humility. Nature does not demand that we go backward, only that we move forward wisely.